I'm gonna do the return from the Audi TT, which is going satin chrome purple in a shades. Like, this is like really crazy job for me, because usually people don't prefer like a chrome or satin chrome as a shades as well. Let's see how I'm gonna do this door, and you're gonna watch this with me. Look at this one. So basically the material is straight, but I need to turn a bit. That's the reason I made a relief cut over this way, so that now see the magic. If I heat at this corner, the material gonna shrink like that. So I got this line now. Small creases, but not to worry. There you go. So slowly feed into each and every groove. Slowly take your time, and you can do with your finger as well, but when you do with that, it doesn't reach to the corner and it start peeling back, and like it's gonna be a bit messy. So if you go with your squeegee, it's gonna reach. See, look at this, like that. Go with your squeegee and make sure it sticks properly. So now everything is laid. Just literally need to post heat it, make sure the vinyl sticks on the panel. So now just need to cut the edges, and I just need to make sure everything sticks. So as you know, this is inside the door panel. So when we lay the front face of the door, it's gonna overlap to the back. So if you see the line over here, I just need to cut on that line when the front face of the vinyl overlaps and ends over here, so that it protects the wrap underneath it. So just need to cut on this line like that. Over here there's a rubber, so if I cut exactly on the edge, you can see a bit of white. So if I just literally cut a bit excess on the rubber like this, and like that, take all off. Now if you lift it, the rubber, just push that in, literally push that in. See, now cut the excess on this side. see, now it looks like it blends into the rubber, so it's no issues. And that's it. Let me finish this. So I'm aiming for this, from this line to this line. I mean, I want to make a line over here and come with a one more patch from that side. So my aim is to do from here to here. So let's do it. After that, I got to the point, so now I'm gonna heat a bit and tuck it. Make sure your point is done. So now what I'm gonna do, something like that, and make yourself some way. Now you have enough amount of material to squeeze in. As I said, if you do with finger, it has a chance of lifting. So go with your squeegee. Just heat a bit. That's it. Sick. So same as here. Don't go with your finger, just go with your squeegee. Just like that. Now you need to get this point. So to get that point, lift a bit, heat it. After heating it, take up. So I'm happy with that. So next, as you can see, this got rubber. So this rubber we can't take off because this is double-sided. So if we take the double-sided, it's hard to put it back together. To make a small patch over there, and all of this bit gonna be in one, and this bit just gonna be a small strip. So my aim is to do this small section. So yeah, let's do that. So before you're starting any panel, you'll clean all the panel once, but as you know, like dust can be on the car. Just to be double safe, like just give it a wipe when you're wrapping, like when you're about to wrap, just give it a wipe and that should be fine. And with some with soapy water first, and after that just go with the alcohol. So for me, this curve gonna be a bit tricky, so yeah, I'm just letting you know before. So for this patch, I need to take like excess material because this got curved and like big creases there. So my aim is to go like I need to tuck this line first. Let's try. I don't know you can see or not, but there is a line from the previous patch, so I'm gonna make a small relief cut at this side. So when I made the relief cut, the material got like that, as I said, cut flush. See, this is what happens. This is what happens if you don't heat it properly. See? So now you can take a bit more back. So literally I'm just tucking down this with the hard side of the squeegee near the rubber where it sits, and I've done, if you come and have a look this side, can you see the patch which we done previously on this line? So I made sure this cover all of it, and if you look at this one, it's gonna swing back so that I know it's stuck and overlapped over the patch which we done previously. So now I'm happy, and at the bottom as well. So if you can look at that, there's a small crease lifting. So lift up, go with your hard side of your squeegee. So these are called pick tools or toothbrush or tucking tools, whatever you want to call it. So these are very helpful to go this kind of grooves. As you can see, this black bit, this black tool, take the rubber in and push it back like that. Okay, yeah, I literally finished with the dough. You can see the dough came off like really nice, and the satin chrome purple, man, it's really hard to stick on the panel, so yeah, somehow I managed to do it. So as you can see, this is how I wrap a dough.